ერთი. მეგობრებო, შეგიძლიათ მიირთვათ coffee break-ი ცოტა ხანი და შემდეგ უკვე დავუბრუნდეთ ოთახს და დავიწყოთ პრეზენტაციები. მადლობა.
download it once more. It hasn't downloaded by the end. Yes, it's just somehow, yeah. You have to download it once more.
Tule siia. Mõtlen ära neile. Hey everybody, we're going to start very soon now, so you have to stop working and take a seat, because we're going to start with the final things. Or maybe if you have something to finish, just let these guys who don't have to do anything already sit on the chairs. And yes, I will start explaining very soon what's going to happen next. So if you don't have necessarily anything to do right now, then take a seat among the audience, please. If there is absolutely nothing you have to do, or if there is absolutely something you have to do, then you don't have to sit down right away, but otherwise, please take a seat among the audience. Is there anything you have to be doing currently, guys? Still building? Okay. Building the last minute. If you don't have anything, if you don't have to do anything, go and sit and let them finish or whatever. We're starting now any second. There is a scalpel on the floor. You can cut your stuff with that. So finished, guys? Are you finished? Not yet? But you can't make any loud noises anymore, because we're going to start. Okay, guys, we're going to start now. Please take a seat at the audience, or with the audience, and oh look, that's me. And we're going to start now. So Leicester is going on, by the way. So everything I say, is it going on? Yes? Yes? Everything I say is streamed into the internet. This means that most likely there are people in Estonia and all over the world watching. Usually we have roughly 2,000 people watching in the internet, so no stress for the presenters, but everybody's watching you. And that's pretty awesome, I would say. So we started on Friday, as you can see. We had, I think, 17 ideas pitched. I think it was like that. 12 teams were formed, and by now, 9 of them are alive. So some of them died. This happens because hardware hackathons are harder than usual hackathons. I know that a team which has slept in total 1 hour for the teammates. There are only 2 people, but this means that they only had like 30 minutes of sleep per team member for 2 nights. So I imagine they are quite so, and I think we had a second picture as well, but anyway, since we have a live stream and since we have quite a lot of followers all over the world, or especially in the Eastern Europe and this region here, then use international language. This means English. Use also hashtags like Garage48 and Gita. Share, like, and also tell your friends that you can see, they can see live stream under this address. Just go to the event site, Hardware Tbilisi 2015, and you will find the live. Tell everybody to watch, especially your grandmothers. Especially your grandmothers. I always tell my grandmother to watch. Hi, grandmother. Then, yes, wait. I think most of you are quite tired because this has been very, very tough. But nevertheless, and look, people are still finishing this stuff. Last touches, last minutes. So I'm going to talk a little bit slower. But I want to ask you, who of you would like to do this again? Look, hands, yes? Can you maybe express it with a voice? Yes, no? What? What? Yes! That's a good answer. And we're going to do it once again, definitely. But now I would like to invite on the stage Irakli, the lovely gentleman without whom we wouldn't be here. Please give a big applause to Irakli.
Thank you very much. And I'm very glad that it's okay? Okay. This live streaming is going on, and that's why. Ah, great. Oh, I'm looking. Okay. I saw that the great project was done. I saw that its great beginnings have started here. And I believe that all your initiatives and ideas will become true and will become the great global projects. It's the main missions of Technological Park, and our agencies is to support you in this process. And I would like to thank again the Estonian government, Garage48 team, and all these Estonian experts, mentors, who traveled to Georgia, who liked this environment, and who helped you to make your ideas true and very competitive. I think that in the nearest future, then you will participate more oftenly in such kind of events. You will do more and more better projects, more and more crazy projects. And we like that you started thinking more and more crazy with our support and with support your friends. Thanks again and wish you good luck.
Thank you, Irakli, and I would also like to thank for this opportunity to be in Georgia at all, because this is the very first time I'm personally here. Garage48 has been here already several times, and we will come back as well again. And I would say that Georgia has impressed me a lot. The country is beautiful, the people are very warm and very welcoming. So we always say for Estonians that we have a pale skin, but we have a very dark soul. You definitely don't have a dark soul. You have much more joyful soul than we do. So thank you, Georgia, for welcoming. And now we're very close to demos. So what's going to happen? Can I see the slide here? So with the demos, there will be, on Friday we had 90 seconds to 3 minutes. So you'll get to present your idea and project and the work you did during this weekend for 3 minutes. Then after the 3 minutes, you will have 2 minutes for questions. So I will give the opportunity the jury to ask a couple of questions first, and then you will be able to answer. And if we have time, we will also give maybe audience the opportunity to ask questions. How we organize this thing is that we will have a certain order of which the teams are coming on the stage. So I'm going to tell you now the order of the teams. And during the questions, the 2 minutes of questions, the next team is going to prepare and put everything on the table. So basically, there is the document camera. You can put your mobile demo there, or a gadget even. There is the computer. So if you have anything to show on the web, you can use that. And there is also the table. I'm going to move the computer away. You can put the stuff there so people can see it, your gadget. And the order of the teams is following. Now listen up, everybody. This is very important. The first one on the stage is Richbox. The second one on the stage is Shangsung. Third one, Connected World. Then Muscle, Gradient, Intelligent Doorbell, Mystery Box, Echo Battery, Laser Runner, and then Intelligent Doorbell, because they have to be last. Should I repeat the order, or did you remember it? Which team you're after? So first team is Richbox, Shangsung, Connected World, Muscle, Gradient, Mystery Box, Echo Battery, Laser Runner, Intelligent Doorbell. Good? Okay. So, without further ado, as they say, I would like to invite the team of the Richbox to the stage. Oh, wait, there is something else. I nearly forgot. We have a jury as well. Look, there is a jury on the stage. Yes, I will be in the jury. Indrek Rebane will be in the jury. He's our electronics mentor. Martin Miloransky from Estonian Academy of Arts will be looking as a design mentor. Then, who was next? Can I see the picture here? Yes. David from Georgia, he will be looking at the business side of the things. Irakli will be on the jury, you saw him already. And Martin, as a Microsoft mentor, will also be in the jury. So these gentlemen will decide your fate in the end. Now, I would like to invite Richbox on the stage. Richbox, where are you? Richbox, come on the stage. Bring your gadget, bring your MC, and everybody who needs to be on the stage. You had a mobile app as well. They're uploading the mobile app onto the phone, yes? So, this is your gadget. I will move this way as well a little bit. Okay. Okay. So this is my future piggy bank. Excellent. So here is your microphone. Let's wait for the mobile app as well. By the way, guys, 1 minute. No, not 1 minute. Next time I want to have somebody on the stage, I will give you 30 seconds to get on the stage. Otherwise, I'm just going to move on. Done? Okay, guy. Very good. Give them a big applause. They're nearly ready. Come. Yes. Go and have a seat on the edge there, and put your phone on the paper where it says, put your phone here. Okay? Are you ready? You can see the 3 minutes there. When 3 minutes is over, I'm going to cut you off. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shoot.
So, hello everyone. Today I'm going to present our project called Richbox. So, we are going to change the way we are collecting money. It's very hard to collect money using traditional piggy boxes, because nearly everyone breaks them earlier than they reach the amount of money they need. It often happens because of just not knowing how much money is in the piggy box. So we decided to make a smart piggy box, and we called it Richbox. It has different functionalities, but the main thing is that it helps you to set your goal and help you to reach it. You have a function where you can limit different things. For example, you can set your goal, collect 1 gel And after that, it will lock the piggy bank, and you won't be able to open it until you reach your goal. So it will help you to reach what you need and buy what you really need. Except that it will show different statistics, like a progress bar. It will show you how much money you already collected, and it will even show you approximately how many days you will need to collect the sum you need. There are a lot of smart piggy banks at the market right now, but they can only count how much you dropped there. They can't lock the piggy bank, and they can't show statistics. That's the main difference between our product and else. So about marketing, we are going to sell our piggy banks. So first of all, it will look very futuristic, and I think it's a high-tech device, so geeks will like it, and we expect them to be our first customers, and then other people will buy as well. Except that we have future ideas. We are going to continue our project. For example, you will have your wish list. For example, you want to buy a bicycle. You will set bicycle, and then you will set its cost. For example, 200 gel. When you will reach 200 gel, you will get notification that you can buy your bicycle. So it will help you in management and in collecting money. So we did this project in 48 hours. These are my team members, others are sitting there. And thanks for your attention.
Thank you! Great job, guys. So, does it already understand which coin I put in?
Now it just understands that something was inserted there, but final product will not only understand how much you place, it will understand its euro cent, its dollar cent, and will convert money into certain wallets, and it won't be messed up.
Okay, excellent. Jury, any questions? Yes, Irakli?
What is the price of the box? Or
So,
what do you think that the price will be?
So
for such
Arduino
a-
costs quite a lot, but Arduino is just for modeling, because you can do whatever you want from with Arduino. So when we will finish it, we will make custom chips that will be a lot of cheaper. So it won't cost a really big amount of money. It will look cool. All electronics will be seen, will be cool lights, but a place where we drop money won't be transparent.
Okay. While we ask the next questions, the next team should prepare and put their demo already up there. And next team is Shang, so please prepare while we ask quick questions. David, did you have a question?
Do you have an estimate on a total market size for your product? Total market size?
So we didn't think about it really. We thought just about first customers. Idea is that it's a like for beginning it's just like a geek toy, but in reality it helps people to reach their goals. Because you can't sometimes you can't buy something like, for example, PlayStation. It's a toy. Your wife won't let you buy it. But when you drop your money and collect one by one this money, at last you will get this sum. If you have just traditional piggy box, you will just break and buy something that you don't really need. But with this thing, you will reach goals and buy things that you really wanted. That's the goal.
Oi, oi, oi. Thank you for the team on the stage, the whole team of Richbox on the stage. Please, guys, come in front here, so we can see the whole team. Give them a big applause. Look, such a big team. Hey, you got also a diploma that you were launched here. Give them a big applause once more. Great team, guys. Thank you very much. Take your box and leave the stage. So the next team deals with sleeping. Shang Tsung, are you ready? Not yet? You have no electricity there?
Yeah.
Wait. Maybe you can plug it in here. Look, there should be cable here. Oh, it is there. Electricity is there now. So do you need a second more, maybe? Done? Are you ready? Take the microphone. Test. Very good. What did you do? Switch to the TV, guys. Switch to this camera. Can you do this?
Telefonზე გადართეთ.
Power is out. Oh, right. Yes. Excellent. Oh, technical issues. Somebody plugged off the cable. So, can we see the... Yes. Look, nearly. Wonderful. Oh. It's no, it's okay. Put it like that. Yes, we will figure it out. Flip. Yes. Look, there. Wonderful. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Shoot.
Hello, I'm Lasha Gogniashvili from my tomb Shang Tsung. And today we are going to talk about the real problem in the humanity. The problem is about sleep, and some people call it an illness, but for us it's a real problem that needs to be solved. The problem is called insomnia and how to kill insomnia. Me and my team, we had several things in our mind, so we decided to make a mobile application, like software one, and another a gadget to cure this kind of illness. The first, we made a mobile application which has 3 features for the start. These are insomnia, calculate, stressed. To be honest, and I did some researches. Insomnia has two kind of removals. One of them is just to lose more energy, and another one is to feel distressed. So in the first feature, our application gives you basic information about insomnia. In the second one, it gives you a calculator and tells you how much energy have you spent during the day, how much energy you need to lose to sleep well. It's still a prototype, so in a demonstration version we just gave 1000 points to the energy of a human when he's waking up. So this is how it works. The second thing is stress. So let's talk a bit more about it. Stress is the main thing when you are not asleep. So I decided to make a mood video on about the stress, and if it doesn't help, so you will move on a gadget. Let's talk about the business rules about it. The business is really good because you sell, at first we sell both the gadget and the application at the same time, so we earn more. That means that you make double satisfactory result. So this is how everything works in our project. And thank you for your attention.
Thank you. So just to clarify, you have an app and then you have the gadget. What does the gadget do?
The gadget, we need silence to show you that.
Okay, shut up everybody, please.
Okay, I will.
Thank you, guys. While we ask the questions, the next team of Connected World should bring their stuff here on the table. And now we will have a couple of questions. Jury, any questions?
I want to add something. When you look at this, you feel distressed. So you don't always hang things like that in the concert, even halls, or in such kind of areas. So you have it at your bedroom. Just clap when you need to feel distressed, and when you look at it, you feel. And in the next feature will be the music.
Okay, so basically there is a stress killer app machine which kills your stress when you clap your hands. Excellent. So questions to the jury. David?
Who are your competitors?
Sorry?
Who are your competitors? Name 1, 2. Who are you competing with?
I don't find any other projects as my competitors. We were friendly during this time, during these 48 hours.
He thinks as competitors on the market. Like, are there any similar projects or products?
I don't know.
Any other questions?
It's something special. It has gadget on it.
Indrek was first. Let's give Indrek.
Can you keep fish in that aquarium?
Well, on the next update, I'll give you the version where you can fish.
Okay, Irakli?
What might be the next product after this?
The next product, there will be music.
Upgrading version of
Yes,
this product.
there will be music. We were going to install the music MP3 player as this, but we had no luck because it got screwed up. Yes. It will start rounding and you'll feel more relaxed. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Give them a big applause.
Thank you.
And all the team, please come on the stage. The whole team of Insomnia Killers, please come on the stage so everybody can see you. Who was on the team? Everybody? Is that it? This is your team? Please come here forward. I will also give you a little diploma. Thank you guys for coming. Give them a big applause. The next team, thank you guys. The next team on the stage is Connected World. Guys, you need to bring your wooden house from back there to here. Can you do that? Are you coming? I think they were just drilling like 5 minutes ago, the house. Okay, please do come. Oh look, they have even a screen. Excellent. What is this? The screen? This is your microphone? Okay. Look, the whole house is there. Wait. Open like that. Exactly. Now speak.
It's Tommy Cat's house.
Tommy Cat's house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a second.
You can tell a Georgian joke while you're on the stage, because tell me a good joke you tell in Georgia, in English of course, so I understand.
I'm a Cortana and I love Google OK.
Come again?
I'm a Cortana and I love Google OK.
You're Cortana and you love Google OK. Okay, this is a good joke.
But you don't understand it.
This is Estonian laughing, by the way. Can you tell?
What?
Actually, I can tell you a joke. We went yesterday to the bath in Georgian town. So we went there, and I heard that you actually have to like bargain. If somebody tells you like 10 lari to come up with taxi, you said 8, and then you go on 9 or something like that. So we went to the bath, and they said to go on the bath, you need like 120 laris. And I said, and the lady was completely like that and asked me why. I was like, I don't know, actually. So we went away, we said okay, and then we came back, and then I said that we were actually speaking Russian, and I said that he said, thought about what? Why 100 laris? I just, yeah, why then? Because мы горячие эстонские парни. And then she laughed a little bit. Because it was, you know, thinking and then coming like, yes, you know. It's like long connection. Anyway, guys, are you ready slowly? Because this was my only joke.
Only joke?
This was my only joke. I don't know any other jokes.
Okay, I'm starting.
I know only a couple of jokes about Latvians.
May I start?
Yes, you may. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Shoot.
Yes, I am. Well, hello everyone. We are a connected world, and we are going to make the most intelligent smart home on this planet. Well, I think that you will know the Jarvis. It's a butler in Iron Man's movie. How many do you know Jarvis? Let's say. Great, great. You know, I love Jarvis and I always wanted to own one. And there is nothing similar to this, so I decided to make it myself. And you know, I think it's great because when you want to make something remotely and you can do that, it's a great thing. So, yeah, they are doing this stuff. Okay, nothing else. Okay, let's say what, you know, I can, with my phone, turn on light, for example, and it's not just clicking button. I can do it with Google Voice or Cortana on Microsoft phone or Siri on iPhone, and that's not all. Even on my Android Wear, here it is, yeah. Even on that, I can remotely do all the stuffs to understand what's the temperature in the home and make some adjustments according to me. Guys, are you ready there? Actually, are we ready? Almost ready. Okay. I will try to do that.
You have 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Yeah.
Tell about the business part until you.
Yeah, what about business parts? We are not going to stop on this, and we are going to make some manufacturer. What the benefits will be? Benefits will be that these devices will be more cheaper, and they are going to be more intelligent and more intelligent. We are going to add some artificial intelligence that when you enter at home, your home can know you and adjust, like I don't know, temperature on your needs and these kind of stuffs. Manufacture, I don't think it would be very expensive, and I think this is the big benefit of our product. What else can I say is that I'm very tired. I was working 2 nights. Okay. Ja? 1 minute, I can start. It's done. Okay, well.
Your time is actually up.
Yeah.
So the guys needed to set up the thing for 3 minutes. So.
May someone come else and.
Are you ready to make? Or
not
is it
yet.
booting?
We need to start some server there.
Start the server?
Yeah.
So
okay.
I see that something happens actually in the house. The thing is that the presenter is also the programmer. Actually, yes, we can start. The thing is that he has to program there still, I think. Anyway, let's start with the questions then. And let's go with the first question to Martin.
Do you need to build a completely new house for this, or can you retrofit an existing one?
No. No, you don't. There is just the models on Raspberry, and you can put these models, I don't know, in the somewhere where you want. You don't need to see it all the time, and this would be connected to the Wi-Fi. And from your phone, you can just say, "Okay, home, turn on light," or "Okay, home, adjust my temperature," or "Okay, home, open the door." Check what's the weather there, and this kind of stuffs. Okay, let me try to do this. Is coming there something? Okay. It needs some time.
Okay. Another question?
Yeah.
In the world, there are about 7,853 different smart home device manufacturers, approximately. How do you differ? Or what is your competitive advantage?
Yes, for the first time, at this time, our benefits is that this product is cheaper, approximately $15, because the Arduino Mini is cheaper. And what other benefits? For the future, we're going to put more smarter intelligence there, more advanced sensors like to understand what's the food in your refrigerator, and some notifications. Let's say when you're going out from the home and you forgot to turn off something, the home will notify you about that.
Okay, thank you very much. This was it. Why didn't it work? I have a question. Why didn't it work now, or what happened?
Yeah, I know its server is working, but maybe Arduino is broken there.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, this happens. Sometimes things don't work out. Thank you very much.
Right.
Please, the whole team come in front so we can see you. Please, the whole team come in front, or this is your team?
Yes,
four
this is my team.
people.
Software engineers, hardware engineers, designers, programmers.
Give them a big applause.
Thank you.
The next team up is Muscle. So Muscle, please go and put your stuff up there. The Connected World guys, please take your stuff away. I hope this doesn't take another 3 minutes. So this is your hand. Very good. So put it on the table, and you will have your microphone. Here, yes. Are you ready?
Now I am?
Yes, you are.
Yep.
Yes, you are. Go.
Good evening. We are the team Muscle, and we've been researching for these 48 hours a nylon muscle system. What it does actually is when it heats up, it contracts. When it cools down, it just expands. Well, it's just a hand, and there are many manufacturers of hands, right? Well, yeah, but they are expensive products. And this is just somewhere 10 laris worth of stuff. So it's basically cheaper. And this is a prototype. This is not a business. This is not a final business product, because frankly, it's awful. But with all this experience we earned in the past hours of working, we can make a new product in a reasonable amount of time, more than 48 hours actually, which will work considerably better. But not as a hand, not just as a hand. It has many more applications, because technically you can work it wherever the standard motors are. Well, and the fact is, this kind of muscle is not made by anyone on the industrial scale. So it opens up a lot of opportunities. Also, when you put it as much as human muscle weights, it gives off 50% more force. Actually, the best thing that we did was acquire experience from this hackathon. So it wasn't about the business idea much. It was about establishing connections, learning stuff, basically having a good time. Well, thanks.
Thank you. So my very first question is, what does it do?
Well, it doesn't. It doesn't work. But it had to flip the middle finger actually. But it doesn't work really good.
What happened? Why doesn't it work?
Well, let the technician answer it.
So yeah, it's not the only function of this hand. Or it also should have moved the whole hand up and also rotate this thing. And the thing was that it was made very heavy for the muscles to work, because we didn't know about this mass to force ratio. We needed So yeah, that was our technical problem. TT.
So basically, the project flipped the finger on you. And itself, yes, a question.
Can you give me an example of one product based on this? One product.
Well, you know how much the standard robotic hand costs, like the factory one, for example? Well, this can cost much less. I mean, like 10 times at least. And well, you can also apply. Well, not the finger-rising one, actually, but you can also apply it in special types of clothing. Well, yeah.
So,
you can.
do I understand correctly that they mostly were trying to see this nylon? How does this kind of material behave? Does it contract? Doesn't it contract? And you would most likely have to have more time to actually make it work.
Yes. I mean, time was required just for the measurements, but we didn't have neither time nor the actual stuff we required to do it. We did it in overnight, and it was just the design stuff. We did it overnight because we didn't have the, I don't know, what do you call it, tools, for example, materials needed. I mean, yeah.
So let the whole team come on the stage, please. The whole team, please come on the stage. I understand that you were actually high school students, yes?
Yes.
Excellent. So look, these guys, give them a big applause. Here you are. And thank you for coming, guys. Thanks. And the next team up, actually, wait, I put you here, is Gradient. Gradient, please come on the stage. Gradient on the stage. They have a pretty small gadget you can connect and put on your head, which looks really cool. It looks like a spider head, a little bit. So where is the microphone? Where is your microphone? Okay. Are you ready? Shoot.
Hi. Hello, everybody. I'm Andro, and I present Gradient. Please, first of all, look outside and see how the moon is shining. But there is one big problem. In our country, every 12 of people cannot see the beauty of planet Earth. Blind people cannot move independently. They use dogs or blind sticks or something like that. We worry about these people and decided to help them. We decided to make glasses which can replace the dogs. Okay. We decided to make glasses which can replace the dogs or blind sticks. It reacts on the obstacles and sends the vibration pulses to the man. It's something like a car parking system. At first, okay. Put it off. Take it off. Take it off. Okay, at first we will work on the local market, which is more than 50. After that, we will work on global market, which is more than 46 million blind people. So this is a prototype, and in the future we are going to improve it. In the future we are planning that our product will recognize family members, read some text with a camera on it, or read some street signs, and so and so. Okay, in the Yes, self prototype. Oh, the self cost of this prototype is about $20, and about our upgraded product, so we need more investment. Okay. My team's name is Gradient, which means the rate of change, and we are going to change the world and make it visible.
Thank you very much, guys. Give them a big applause. This is a very cool gadget.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Let one of the jury members wear it. Indrek, put it on.
Okay.
So how does it work? So it has some different distances?
Yep.
It has a two-layer, and after it can detect 50 centimeters, and after that it can detect 100 centimeters.
1.5 meters, yes?
Yes.
Indrek, come towards me. Yes.
Well.
Come a little bit slower, man. It's switched off? Switch it on. Don't switch it off with the thumb. Okay, good. It's like Star Wars. Like, look. Luke, I'm your father. Look. Anyway, do we have any questions from the jury besides this guy? Stop there, guy.
Tell me about your business model, not necessarily now, the future one also. How are you going to make money from this?
As I said, in our country, more than 50,000 people are blind, and when I met some of them, they said that they don't like the blind sticks because there is some problems. It's not easy to use the stick or something. Some of them will needs seaters, and it's something not very good. So we are going to start in local market in Georgia with a low price, not very low price. It will be maybe $20 or $50, and after that, I want to get far and far.
Yeah. It's a very interesting project and prototype. I would like to give you some advices, and I remember some kind of prototype of teams during the hackathon. They invented the clock for blind people, and it gives different type of vibration to understood what time is it. And also you can make the same things, if you think about this, to provide blind person with distance, and there will be different duration, different type of vibration for different distance. And of course, it's for the questions is that what the next for this product, and how much money you need to create the final product.
Maybe next will be the product with the camera on it, and with the camera, this product will be able his family members, and when you see some text in the air, it says the text or recognize the street signs, and maybe it costs $150 or $200. I think so.
Thank you very much, guys. Is this the whole team?
No.
Please.
We got one more.
Where is he or he?
He is not here.
He's not here?
No.
Give them a big applause. Thank you very much. You built something great. Thank you, guys. There is a thing. And the next team up is Mystery Box. Mystery Box? Mystery Box, get on the stage. Ah, look, they have a very mysterious box in their hand. A mystery box. Excellent. Take the microphone. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Okay, shoot then, man.
Okay. So how is everybody doing? Do you enjoy this night so long? Okay, that's great. So basically, I'm pretty sure that you love music, right? No? Oh, come on, everybody loves music. Well, I'm one of them. So basically, I want to tell you a little story. A year ago, there was a Passenger song, which was always on my mind, like all summer, but things happen, you know, and accidentally I forgot the name of the song. But I know that it was on my one of my YouTube playlists. Lucky, huh? I have 14 different playlists on YouTube, so imagine the struggle. Actually, I found that song 2 weeks later on my SoundCloud account when I was shuffling. So that's when the idea came out in my mind. Can there be like one space where you can get all your music combined and sorted together? And that's how the idea of Mystery Box came out. So Mbox is like a smart device which can combine all your music from different sources like YouTube, like SoundCloud, like Spotify, to be combined and sorted. There are like analogs in this world, like Last.fm, and there are also like Pandora and a bunch of different stuff who let you to make playlists from different sources. But making the synchronization of old playlists have not been done before because they are like concurrents of each other, you know. But that's not the main point of our project. It's also, as I mentioned, smart device, which means that it not only lets you to play, but it also scans your playlist. So it more or less tells you what taste you have and connects to the different people who have taste like you. For example, on Facebook, so you can find, like, get closer to the people who have more or less the same taste, or you can just find what's trendy on Twitter and it will just suggest by itself. So after the very moment you register your Mbox account, you are connected to the whole new social world which is ruled by music. So all you have to do is like buy the Mystery Box or download the application on your smartphone or just buy the monthly subscription on laptop, computer. So we'll also have like free space for the beginners, but if you feel so ambitious like you want to have all of the music in the world, you can upgrade on the Premier account. So more or less that's what Mystery Box is about. Thank you for listening. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Okay, may I say one thing?
Yes, you have
okay,
27 seconds left.
No, it's out of context. It's not like the presentation anymore.
Yes?
Yes. So this Mystery Box is very mysterious because nobody in this room knows how it works. Right now, it actually doesn't work as it was supposed to work because there was little technical difficulties when we were connecting it on the network. So if any jury member is actually willing to see how it works, we can show it on the local host after all this presentation is done. Because on the Wi-Fi,
Thank you very much.
we are having this problem.
So let's have 2 questions. Give him a big applause.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Let's 2 questions.
Your idea is very similar, other than the box, very similar to Spotify, right? So how are you gonna your plan, I assume, is to grab some users from Spotify, other than the box. What's your value proposition?
Basically, our main idea is to have all the complicated space, like all these complicated playlists sorted in one place. And the second one is to connect people together. So main idea is like you're creating the playlist, and the more viewers you have, more subscribers you're gaining more points. So we have pointing systems like on your playlist, 1 listen means 1 point, 1 comment means 2 points, and 1 like means 3 points. So with these points you are getting on the front page, and if you're on the front page, there is a chance that you can get paid. And it's simple why. Because we will have like some orderings when there is like festivals in Georgia. We have some talks with eventers.g right now. So when there is a festival and new bands are coming, the guys who are the top playlist makers will create the playlist of those artists. So you will basically know if you want to go on that concert or not. And we're right now trying to establish a connection with which you will get a discount if we will make a free playlist for them.
One more question from the jury.
Yeah. We have 30 more minutes left, yeah.
Anyone? No? Thank you very much. Please welcome the whole team on the stage as well.
Thanks.
The whole team and the Echo Battery is going to prepare. Please, the whole team, come here. Only 3 people? Mystery Box guys, come here. Please, everybody come on the stage so I can give you some kind of diploma. Thank you very much. Mystery box. Okay, thank you very much, guys. And the next up is Echo Battery. Are you ready? Okay, shoot.
Hello. Hello, my name is Eka, and today I'm going to present the project about Echo Battery. When we go for a walk in the nature with a bike, we often have a problem that our device's batteries dies very soon, very quickly. We love to listen music and play games and take pictures. So this is a really big problem. Yeah, there is alternative chargers like extra batteries, but they go down even before we reach the place where we want to go. So we decided to solve this problem with our Echo Battery. Echo Battery helps us to charge our device while riding the bike. It is this box, and it's connected with the dynamo, and unfortunately we don't have here bike, but we can change the rotating wheel with the drill, and now we can demonstrate it. The green lights, and we see that the phone charges. What makes our device even better is that we have the alternative source of energy. This is the solar panel, and we can try it here too. But here's not the sun right now, so we can't actually show it. Yes. Of course we have competitors, but our device is better than them because, firstly, it's cheaper, second, it's lighter, third, we have alternative battery. We conversation to the other two bike shops, and they are really interested in our project, and we have even meeting tomorrow with one of them. Our team is completed with Anna, Lana, Rati, Mariam, and Lado. I want to say just live with the pure electricity which we can get from our own legs. Thanks for attention.
Thank you very much. Give them a big applause. This is great. Questions?
You mentioned that you met bike shops and owners. I thought that your customers would be just individuals. So so you're going to sell to bike shops or to individuals?
At first, we were interested in what are the competitions to our product, and when we asked in Georgia in bike shops, there weren't any like this, so that was weird. And some of them were even interested in buying our product, so we decided maybe we could talk to them. And we're not really sure yet. Maybe individuals and. So you're going to sell in the store? We'll at least consider both of those options. Yeah.
Okay. More questions?
If I want to go to shop and buy one, how much does it cost?
For production, for us, it costed around 30 lari because dynamo and everything was not very cheap for us. But 30 lari is not that much. And in mass production, it would to make this, it would cost around $5–8. So it's quite cheap compared to other products.
Okay, one more question. We have time for one more question from the audience, if Georgia has none. Anybody? Questions? If no, thank you very much. Give the whole team a big applause. I think, guys, you did really great. Wait, where are you going? Hey. Thank you. Here is your diploma. The next up is Laser Runner. Laser runner. So you're going to set up something first, okay? See if there is a plug. Don't pull anything out, don't pull anything. Look, there is one. There is one. Don't pull anything out. We see how this happened. Ends. By the way, just as a notice, this is the smallest team of only two team members. I think in the beginning you had 4, but somehow in the end you only had 2. So, okay. Excellent. So after this team, we only have one more team left, and the one more team is called Intelligent Doorbell. So just 2 teams left. Are you ready? Wait, switch it on. Yes.
So,
go.
Most of the audience should be familiar with the concept of laser cutting. Laser cutter is a tool used in many cases, and in our case, even the prototype was used basically using the laser cutter. And our idea is that we want to make this laser cutter affordable and portable. Also, better than it already is. It will be hard, we see. We've seen it, but we'll try to show our best what we did. So, laser cutters at the moment are big bulky boxes in which you put cardboard or organic glass, and you get some details. I won't talk about industrial laser cutters. It can't be industrial. This is just a prototyping tool. This product will be useful, I think, for innovators like myself, people who are interested in building and developing something, but can't really afford such items. Okay. Also, you see in this exact building, there's a one room only for laser cutter, and this means a lot because with this, if it works, if we make prototype we want, it will be able to print, grave, and cut. Even cardboard in the size of this room, floor of this room. This is not impossible, and we are going to make it. So let's go to demonstration. I think it's time.
So the main idea is that you don't have a fixed machine, but something which runs on the surface you want to cut or engrave. Okay.
So it only oriented on 2 wheels. It turns like tank, and it moves in certain directions. So and have any software to control or its drawing, because we had no programmer on our team. And that's pretty sad, because at the moment I think the hardware is ready to draw something simple. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Your time is up. Thank you. Give them applause. Okay, questions to the jury?
What do you think, how you will make the same products for the vertical objects?
I think we may be able to do this for even ceiling graving, because not something that just rolls on ceiling, but the thing that uses axis to stand on the ground and grave on the ceiling. Also, it will be able to grave on walls using the same concept, axis, which is pressing it against the wall, and it can engrave something on it. It may be possible.
Yes, one more question.
Did you talk to any of your potential customers? The ones who are
It's so about that. We didn't talk to any of our potential customers. Most of our time outside of developing the prototype went to our sleep because it was only 2 of us and we had no experience in doing such things. So we had to work really hard. That's why we don't have any software visualizing something. It's just hardware moving around with no laser, just pencil.
But you have the laser, and it's only the graphical,
yes.
the painting. But for what about its you need programmers to make this image recognition and make other things, yeah? Or what the programmers will do with you?
For now, I'm going to try to make myself something that will help it to just draw, and after that, something that can cut. First, it will be straight lines. I don't know much about developing this. This is, for me, this is more like an idea of something. Just sliding and running over the thing. It needs cut and some fun project for people to do.
Okay, thank you very much. Give them a big applause. Thank you guys for participating in doing this. Here is a diploma. Thank you. The next team is preparing them, and they need to connect themselves up to the projector. And is it booting? What's happening? Are you sure what's happening? Okay, no? Wait, something is coming. Something is coming. Look, no? Maybe some kind of connection at the... So, do you need them to start the thing first, or can you already start talking? Okay, there is a microphone. Can you switch it on?
Hello guys, we are the group of intelligent doorbell. So, we are not always at home, and we can't even imagine that sometimes we have guests. For this, we want to present you more innovative doorbell, which is more comfortable than the older one. Our doorbell is multifunctional. Main function of it is to give the house owner information about guests, which takes photo of guests. The owner receives photo. Anyway, he's home or out. So another function of it is K button, which is for house owners, and it's easier than the K. We have LCD2, where written information by owner, or connected with Google Map, which shows the location of owner, or the time where he backs at home. Our marketing strategy is that our product is cheap, very needful, and we are innovators in Georgia. by the time we will improve our product, and after results, we will grow the area of selling. I am designer. I worked with programmers, with engineers, and thank you guys. I'm very thankful.
Thank you. So another prototype which doesn't somehow work in demo settings, it's called the demo effect. Usually on the monitor. Bring the monitor here then. And we can let's make it like that. We start with the questions, you bring the monitor while we do the questions. Okay, so let's do David. First question here.
Can you give me a profile of your first customer? First, or maybe like second, who will be buying this first?
Okay, almost everyone in Georgia have doors. And if someone has door, it will be needful for him to... it will be needful for him. And that's why I think Georgians, majority of Georgians will use it if it will be in the commercial.
Next question. So explain me, what does the doorbell do? You have a couple of buttons there, and if you press a button, what happens? The camera takes a picture. I saw some kind of pictures happening before.
Pushing the white button, it's ringing and takes a photo. And another case in idea will be finger scan buttons for the house owners to close and open door without key.
Any other questions? We have time for one more question. If not, then this was it. You can still be here and try to make it work, because they were the last team, and we're done basically. Give him a big applause.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. You can still stay here and try to make it work, because the thing is that now we have finished. We anyway done basically. You can do now the demonstration. Should we let the intelligent home show what it does? Okay. So the intelligent home got, and they're coming in front, and after them they try to use the monitor of the intelligent home team. Okay, anyway, intelligent home, are you coming in front? What do you mean? They need your monitor. After you. Guys. Guys, let's call it a demo effect. It just sometimes happens, and that's it. So we're going to take Jory out to make some decisions, and that's it. Thank you very much. I think the demos were great. Well, look, what happened? Basically, I said stop, and then it comes on. This is demo effect, isn't it? So guys, what can it do? So it starts up, network interfaces. So this is Linux coming up. Don't move your fingers. Some connection was put in place with the finger. Look, look, Indrak. The button, look, login, failed. Okay, it's saved on the desktop, yes? So it's sent with an email. So basically the idea is that if some guy pushes the doorbell, the camera takes a picture, like the door, like this loophole, and sends me an email. There's a guy behind the door. And if it's your friend, you will get up from your couch, If it's somebody who wants to give you bills or telemarketer, you say, fuck off. Or in Kassa, you say, I'm not going to the door. So thank you very much. Give them a big applause. They managed to get the demo working right here. So the house guys, can you still do it, or is it? Yes, you can. Should we come there? Let's go there. Let's have a look. Joe will have a look, and then we will leave to make the decision. While the jury is looking at while the jury is actually looking at the last demo, everybody else, please clean up your tables, because we have to clean up anyway. So please clean up your tables, and that's it.
ისა ყურადღება რა თუ შეიძლება. ესე ჩემმა მეგობარმა დაკარგა დანა, ანუ გასაშელი დანები რო არის, აი ისა ჩვეულებრივი არა, რა ქვია? საკანცელარიო დანა, ხო? და ანუ განსხვავებული ვიდი აქვს და ვინმე თუ ნახავთ რომ მოგცეთ იქ ვართ. ყველა მომისმინა შენს რაზეა ვლაპარაკიო?
ვიღაცას ვათხოვე Arduino Uno. და დააბრუნეთ თუ შეიძლება. მომიცი შევხედო. მადლობა ყურადღებისთვის.
ერთი. უკაცრავად ირაკლი ჩანქსელიანი არის ვინმე? დაუძახე რა თუ შეიძლება. ცია ბოდოკია? ცია ბოდოკია, მე დღეს ხედავდი რომ იყო. არის ცია? არ არის. თაკო გონაშვილი? თაკო გონაშვილი. ოკეი. და ომარი ავაზიშვილი. ომარი
So guys, please come back and take a seat, everybody, because we will have now the winners ceremony going on very soon. So everybody please take a seat and you will know which teams have won what, and this will be a fun thing. Anyway, without further ado, I would like to invite Kai on the stage. I have slides. Wait, I have slides. Sorry. Really? Let's see what kind of slides do. How did? Fuck. Wait, give me a second. As it turns out, I have slides. Look, what's the next slide? No? Press. That's a picture. Just press escape. Excellent. Will do. Okay, look. Yes, I know what's next. So first, we have to start thanking. And first, I would like to thank all the mentors. Please, all the mentors, stand up. Give them a big applause. Guys, you were a big help. We had to fly some of them from Estonia. Hope that was good. Then, of course, our own team. Next to me, I have Kai and Anu, and of course, Indrek. These guys basically were the Estonian team to help to organize that. But also, we had the whole Georgian team as well. There is Natya. Natya, where are you? Stand up. Tamta, Georgi, Irakli, Anna and Rati. Please all come in front. These are the brave Georgians who made all this happen. Where is Georgi? Where is Georgi? Did Georgi leave already? Please come in front. Please come in front as well. Rati, where is Rati? The other Georgi? Both guys, please. This is excellent. These, give them one big award, because
all of you, thanks for coming. This has been an amazing event, but there's two people that I want to thank especially, because when we started promoting the event, we actually had a ticket. It was $1, and there was two people who paid it. So thankful. Thanks. Where are you? I don't know where you are, but thanks so much for paying. You're awesome. Yes.
Whoa.
Woo! But I'm here to actually announce a prize, and this is my favorite all the time, because it's pretty much about people having fun, and, getting the pictures of the prototype of the teams, having fun, and getting people on Facebook, Twitter. It's the Vana Tallinn liquor. That's the Christmas special. So thanks.
The Christmas special Vana Tallinn liquor. Here's that thing as well. Thank you, guys. The next award is given out by Indrek as a best research project. What is this? There is the microphone.
It actually works. Cool, engineering. Hey, you all use some equipment here, and we have some equipment that could be used by at least one of the teams. A multimeter, soldering station, and a power supply for future research. So, I come from Tartu. Tartu is a nice university city. We have this university here, University of Tartu. And in this university, there's active robotics department, where they, among others, research artificial muscles. So, guess who the winner is? The muscle team. By the way, I heard you all are from still high school. So do you know which university you will go to?
No. Not yet.
You will know.
You will know. cable was loose. Okay, so there's 4 of you. Multimeter. Soldering station. Next coming up, power supply.
And the paper.
And last but not least,
a paper.
Good luck.
Thank you, guys. Then the next award is called the Best Design and is given out by Martin Mileranski from Estonian Academy of Arts.
Hello. Many times it's thought that design is about artistic, but in this case I wanted to make it very clear that it's not just about the visual, it's about the system, it's about the kind of harmony and conclusions that people draw when they're designing and do their iterations. So the winner for the best design is Team Gradient.
Team Gradient, come in front.
And to go with the style, I will say that our prize isn't visible right now. It will be arranged to you. It's an annual collection of architecture review Maya. And by the way, it has an article about the lab I run as well, but it's not the most important thing there. So, thank you.
You will get the book later. Thank you very much, guys. Before we go to runner-up and a winner, there is one surprise prize even for me, which is given out by whom, Guy?
It's actually by the presenter of Inventor G, and it's Lasha, the CEO, who's going to give it out.
Hello, everyone. At first, I want to congratulations to the winners. Our company, Inventor G, has a surprise tickets for the event, which will be held in February by Set Festivals. So our company's favorite project is by Mystery Box. Congratulations. You get 6 tickets for this event.
Thank you. Can you tell what kind of event is that?
So it's electronic music, which is held once in a season, like 4 times of year. And it's electronic music, underground. There are some good artists from abroad countries and Georgian artists as well.
Have a great party, guys. Whoa! Now we come to 2 last prizes. This is a runner-up and a winner. The runner-up will be given out by me. I also get to give us some prizes. Very flattered, very happy. So, a couple of words about the team who gets to be the runner-up. So for me, it is very important that people execute well and they solve, how to say, in a way, simple projects or simple problems, but in an elegant and innovative way. And I think this team has done that. And this team, I would say, was one of my favorites, actually, quite from the beginning, because they had a very nice and neat idea, and I was really happy to see that they actually finished the project and it worked. And the runner-up is, are you ready? I'm a little bit nervous. Who is the runner-up? The runner-up is Eco Battery. Please come in front, the whole team. Girls, come in front. Boys, everybody, you had the whole big team. Good work, everybody. Give them a big applause. Thank you, you were great. Thank you. Give them an applause once more. Look, there is a camera. Smile. Very good. Thank you very much. Give them once more a big applause. And the last prize for last person on the stage, nearly the last one. Mis auhind oli? Oh shit. I forgot. By the way, guys, you got a prize as well. Sorry, I forgot that. 2 prizes actually. Yes, 2 prizes. So not just the paper. You actually get vouchers. You get free training from Jeepa. Yeah. Plus, here you are. Plus, you can get to go to this 1-week-long camp organized by Garage48 and Jeepa. So you have like Jita, sorry. I might a little bit, and I haven't actually didn't drink that much. So the event has been very wearing me out as well. So you get to get free trainings and get to go to the boot camp. Awesome! Thank you very much. Now, I will ask Irakli to give the main prize out. And you saw that what happened with me, so he's the right person to give out the winner. So say a couple of words and
the winner is. But before we announce the winner, I would like to thank again Estonian Development Corporation Fund, Microsoft, and I would like to also ask Microsoft representatives to come here with me. Before I will announce the winner, I would like to say that all the participants of Makeathon, Hardware and Art Hackathons will be presented from Technological Park and JITA the prize to complete their work in Technological Park Fab Lab.
Everybody wins. You can use Fab Lab and make it better what you have done so far.
You can complete your prototypes. You can get access to the devices, 3D printers, laser cutters, CNCs, and to get the final prototypes to show it to the investors and to show it to other people. Okay, and the winner? Please. Okay. And why? Why we choose the winner and why he will be the winner? Because there is a very interesting problem which they are going to solve. They also get the prizes from Microsoft and for best design. And the winner is Gradient.
The whole team, give a big applause to Gradient, the overall winner of Garage48 Hardware and Arts 2015 in Tbilisi. Great job, guys. The fact that they built something with 48 hours, which is useful and which worked. I even tried it myself. Yeah. Didn't bump my head once. Indrek was a little bit too fast. This was, I think, an amazing engineering effort. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You can have a seat now, or you want to say something? Yes, do.
We're surprised with results, and we wish you all the good luck. Wish you all that participate in the same events in the future, and we are here. The Tech Park is working in a beta.
Beta?
Yeah, but soon it will be fully opened, but now you can use also all the devices. Thank you all again.
Thank you, Irakli. So one thing we always say is that even if you didn't get the first prize or the second prize, or if you didn't get mentioned, you all are winners. And do you know why? Because you got this experience how to work in a really, in a way, bad conditions, because you didn't have much time at all. You had to sleep less, you had like limited resources, limited stuff, and you still had to build something. And this is not an easy thing to do. So after this kind of event, you can say that I did it. and you have this experience and you have all this context and new friends you met, you saw people working in other teams or in your own team, you know that you can maybe count on them or find them maybe in the future if you want to build something else. So use this context and use these people you now got to know to make bigger things in the future. And as Irakli said, you can use the Fab Lab, so awesome. This usually costs something, I would say, yes? So you get it for free. So everybody is a winner. Big applause to yourself, and thank you for coming. This was great. So what's next? We have a couple of more events coming up. So before these 48 Hardware and Arts Hackathon, going to take place in the first weekend, 5th to 7th of February in Tartu. So if you want to hack together with Estonians, Latvians, Finns, even some Russians are coming, so you can come over and hack together with all these people. It has always been fun. It will be bigger. I think we at least expect 150 participants, and please do come. You're all welcome. And then, of course, there will be Startup Bootcamp in March in Tbilisi. In Azerbaijan, we are doing one event in the spring. And of course, follow us on the Facebook and news. There might be an event in Kyrgyzstan or somewhere popping up. Come along, come and meet the people around you and work with them together. And you will get to know a lot of very cool people, because you all are very cool people, aren't you? Yes, you are. So, what I want to say, you guys rock. Thank you for coming, and let's make it happen again. Thank you, guys. That's it. Done.
Okay, not so fast. We have still the final thing. It's called cleaning up, which means all the equipment you have back to that table in the corner. If you want to take your prototype with you, you can, but you first show me the prototype you want to take with you, and I will say if you can or not. Okay? So, in 10 minutes, I want to see all this area clean and all the equipment on the table and all the garbage in the bins. Yeah. So, let's do it. Thank you.